Hello, welcome to another episode of More Photography. Today I'm on a trip with my brother and father and we're visiting Vøringsfossen today. So we're kind of chasing waterfalls along Hardanger and the first stop is Vøringsfossen. It's quite snowed in, so it looks like we have the whole place for ourselves. It's not hard to get here by foot, but it looks right now that we're all alone. So you see that's my brother down there and the Vøringsfossen is down this valley. So we're quite lucky with the fog or mist, so that's gonna be quite good. Otherwise I also brought with me the slider, the Syrp slider for some time-lapse, and a drone, but the drone is not weather sealed, so I don't think I'm gonna use it. Let's see, maybe it stops raining and I get like 10 minutes. But yeah, we're here and I'm gonna set up my equipment and do some time-lapse and photography for you guys. So hope you stay tuned. Quite a nice viewpoint here. Really get a view over the whole valley along with the Vøringsfossen down there. So while the time-lapse is going, I'm walking around here to the different points of viewpoints around here with my Laowa lens, ultra wide angle 10mm. So I'll take a couple of pictures and I'll show you, and then you can judge if it's good with ultra wide in this area or if I should have narrowed it more in. So yeah, hope you enjoy the pictures. There's also coming in some fog here in the valley, so that will be really good for a time-lapse, I think. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. We have arrived to Simadalen. It's in between two very steep mountains here, so there's a little rain coming and going, a lot of fog coming and going as well. But it's really beautiful here. It's like a little bit untouched nature, a lot of blooming birch trees, a lot of birds singing as well. So hopefully I will capture some pictures of that as well. But right now I'm focusing on this waterfall that's coming out of one of the tops of the mountains here. It has probably a free fall of 100-200 meters, something in between there. So I'm using the Sony tele-lens 200-600 to try to get a little bit close and focus in on some spots on the waterfall and take some pictures. Also some video, I think. I'm doing both. So let's see. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so me and my brother ventured a little bit further into the woods here, and we found this river going down the valley here. So we're looking for some tiny birds. There's a lot of birds singing in the trees, so hopefully we'll try to capture something. You see my brother's already down there trying to take some pictures. So yeah, hopefully something will fly by and we can capture it. Otherwise, yeah, it's a nice place to be anyways. Alright, so we just stopped along the road here, just outside Eidsfjord. There's this beautiful cloud play happening on the other side of the fjord there, on the mountains. So we just had to capture them. So I put up 2 time lapses. I think they're going to be really good, so I hope you enjoy them. So as you can see, I have the L bracket on the camera, but I forgot the small piece here for the thing you can attach to the lens. So since I have such a heavy lens on my camera, I had to be a little bit creative. So the lens is actually resting on the fence here along the road, aiming for the cloud play over the mountain there. So I'm doing a time lapse of that, and I hope that will be good. So we have arrived to the last location for today. This place is called Låtefossen, just outside Odda. And we're kind of alone here, so that's quite nice. I've set up my camera down here. I'm putting it pretty low and upwards, so I'm catching a lot of the water as a foreground, and then the bridge is the middle and the waterfall is in the end. So I'm doing 3 images to stack the focus. 1 for the foreground, 1 for the middle, and 1 for the end. So we're going to stitch those two together, and I think it's going to be an okay picture. Let's see. I'm also doing a time lapse up here with one of the waterfalls using the slider, Syrp slider, and I'm also using the ultra wide angle Laowa lens, 10 to 80 millimeters, so it's capturing a lot. So I think that's going to be quite cool as well. So I'm going to show you that as well. I'm going to do a couple of shots more, see if I can find some other compositions, and yeah, show you. So I hope you like it. Alright, I think that's it for this episode. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye.